Hello pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvendril, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to find out when will your Chromebook expire. Okay, this is not a rant about don't buy Chromebooks, Chromebooks are bad. No, I like Chromebooks a lot. I have used them for many years. It's just they are going to expire and you have to be aware of this. Okay, so this method I'm going to show you works for any other brand, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, or any other that you may have, Acer, for example. And when a Chromebook expires, it still works. You can turn it on and all that, but it will stop receiving updates. Just like Windows 7 is not supported anymore by Microsoft, or Windows 10 is going to stop receiving updates, software updates in 2025, if I remember correctly. Okay, so I just want you to be aware of this. Different Chromebooks have different expiration dates, and again, they are going to be still working for some, like until they really fail, but you won't receive updates anymore. For this end, I'm going to use my HP Chromebook X360. All right, so allow me a few seconds to adjust my camera, and I'm going to turn off the light so you can see better what I do. Now I'm going to zoom in like this right there so you can see it nice. So you're going to click on the clock over here on the bottom right, and then you go to settings. You can see it there. From here on the left, scroll down until you find About Chrome OS. You click on that, and on the right, you're going to see the version, the Chrome OS version that you have. Below, you're going to find additional details. You click on that, and you're going to see Update Schedule. This device will get automatic software and security updates until June 2028. So I bought this Chromebook last year, 2021. So it's around 7 years that you have support from, in this case, Google, right? Your Chromebook will receive updates for around 7 years. After that time has passed, your Chromebook still works. It's going to turn on, you can go to Gmail, you can use the applications, you can go to Amazon.com or anything, okay? But eventually, for example, you want to go to Netflix and it's going to tell you, hey, you need an update for Google Chrome, which is the web browser, but you cannot update it anymore. So that's when you realize you're limited. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, if you don't have a Chromebook, if you want to buy one, or you have somebody's Chromebook and you want to check when it's going to expire, I'm going to show you how to find that out. Allow me a few seconds. I'm going to turn over my Chromebook to find out the exact model. The letters are super tiny, super tiny, so I was not able to capture it in video, but I'm going to put it in letters here. So my model is HP Chromebook X360, and the important part is 4CCA. So it's normally on the back of the Chromebook. So with that information, if you don't have a Chromebook, we're going to visit a website. Okay, so allow me a few seconds to turn on my computer. Over here, it's Windows. And I'm going to open a web browser, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below for this website, so don't worry about that. You can read all of this, auto update policy. I'm going to scroll down, and here are all the manufacturers that create Chromebooks for Google. You can see Dell, you can see Asus, and many other brands that I never heard of, to be honest. So as you know, the one I have is HP. I'm going to click on that, and these are all the Chromebook, well, HP models for Chromebook. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to look for the one I have. We're going to verify the information. So there it is, Chromebook X360 4C. As you can see, there are other versions, but the one I have is for 14C. And on the right, you can see June 2028, the same information that we have seen in the Chromebook itself. For example, this other Chromebook over here is going to expire in 2024. June 2024. I'm going to scroll up, and I want to show you something over here. This model, HP Chromebook 11G3. So this one expired last year in September. So for example, if you had this Chromebook or a similar one, you might not notice anything. You can go anywhere, you can use the applications, but eventually you won't be able to do it. The Chromebook still works. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video, guys, how to find out when will your Chromebook expire. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, as you know, I'll see you in the next video.